Welcome back to Brass Hall. We're doing another bartender sessions. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, a classic cocktail a lot of people have a misconception about, a Mai Tai. I'll be using an old-fashioned glass just to kind of show you the ingredients. I like doing a layered effect here. We're going to start by, of course, adding some ice. I'm going to be using a standard silver rum. This is a Virgin Island style rum, turbinado based, 1 ounce in. Triple sec, mainly for that orange flavor. Only need a ½ ounce of it. We're going to be using pineapple juice. Always make sure to shake well. You want to get the actual grit from the pineapple, not just the top level juice. Only do about halfway there. And some orange juice. Once again, you want to get that pulp in there. And last but not least, a little bit of dark rum. This is very rich, spiced Jamaican rum. You just drizzle that right on top. Only about a ½ ounce. We garnish with an orange wheel here. And there you have it, a delicious Mai Tai.